you're probably wondering, why does it take so long to get paid after we get the settlement check? Well, the first thing is the check has to come to our trust account. It's not our account, it's in trust for you. So we put the money in the account. You may have medical providers that we have to call to negotiate bills. You may have healthcare liens. A lot of times, whenever you go to the hospital, they have healthcare liens. We send out a request for the healthcare lien. The hospital they could take between 30 days or longer, depends on who picks up the file, to give us back any liens that they may have. Or if we have to send the insurance company, your insurance company, health insurance company, request for the healthcare lien, they also take 30 days or longer to get that lien. And then we go through the negotiation process. We have to send a letter, we have to try to negotiate the healthcare lien, and then it's this back and forth mailing, back and forth emails with the hospitals, with the medical providers, and also with the health insurance company to try to negotiate the bills. That way you can net more money in your pocket. And so it all depends. If you have a lot of doctors, you have a lot of things going on, a lot of liens. If you have child support liens, if you owe child support and baby mama or baby daddy is trying to hit you up on child support, then there might be a lien that we have to take care of as well with that, because they put a lien against the case. We have to pay these bills. We can negotiate the bills, but we cannot just decide not to pay the medical providers. We can't decide not to pay the child support enforcement. We have to go through this process because by law, we have to pay them. We cannot avoid it. If you file bankruptcy, it slows the case down dramatically. In fact, everything stops. We have to hold the money in trust, and the bankruptcy attorneys are the ones that the trustees are the ones that have to help disperse the funds down the line. It could take a year or longer if it's bankruptcy. But typically, it takes a few months because we have to get all these bills reduced, and the back and forth, the calling back and forth, they have timelines that they abide by. The hospitals, the healthcare liens, they have timelines. The smaller facilities, they work a little bit quicker because we know them, we worked with them. They're smaller locations. It's easier to negotiate the bills, easier to negotiate everything else. But the bigger facilities like the hospitals and health insurance take a lot longer time. So that's why there's a process of when we get the check until you get the settlement, that we're still working on your behalf. We've made the money for you for your case, for your injuries, but we go an extra step further to make sure you net more money in your pocket.